friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create custom audience of website visitors in Facebook Ad Manager. As you can see, I'm into my ads manager, right? And we are here in the audiences section. And now we will click on create audience. We are going to create a custom audience and we are going to select the website as the source of this custom audience and then click on next. Here it is displaying that our metapixel has been correctly installed on our website's header section that we have learned in our previous videos, right? If you have not seen our previous videos and if you don't know how to connect metapixel with your WordPress website, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the meta ads playlist. So as you can see, our metapixel has been correctly installed on our website. It is showing the green signal, right? And here in the events, there are options like we can create custom audience of all website visitors or people who have visited specific web pages. Now let me tell you that suppose you have created an ad campaign with traffic goal, right? And you have targeted a saved audience by doing some detailed targeting, right? And you have run that particular ad campaign and many people have clicked on your CTA button of your ad creative and have landed to your website. For example, 5,000 people have landed on our website's homepage, as the earlier campaign that we have made was ran on saved audience, right? So like people will visit this page because we have given our home page as final URL in that ad campaign. Now for example, 5,000 users have visited the home page using that ad campaign, right? And now everyone will not go further, right? Many people will exit our website from this page only or bounce from this page only. So like for example, 3,000 users bounced, right? Rest 2,000 users will either click on shop button or this category button. Here are subcategories. They can click on these or they can click on dupattas, and here again we have many subcategories, right? And many people will click on contact page or they can either click here as well because the above subcategories are also displayed here again, or either they can click on any product, right? So like the rest 2,000 users will diversify, right? As there are lots of links over here, so it is not necessary that all users visit on the same page, right? After visiting the home page, so people will diversify by clicking on different kind of buttons, right? And now we want to create custom audience so that we can run retargeting ads. We will create a new ad campaign targeting the custom audience of people who visited specific web pages. That's why we are creating custom audience. So now coming to the point, as you can see, I'm into this sari and Lehariya sari. I have opened this Lehariya sari category, right? Here there are 3 products in Lehariya sari, right? We can copy this URL. Okay. If we target all website visitors, then it will create custom audience of all those 5,000 users. And as we know, like 2,000 users or 3,000 users have exited our website from the home page only and they bounced back, right? So targeting them with our custom ads, right? I think it will be waste of money, right? So we are not going to target all the users. We are targeting we are going to target those users who have visited our specific web pages. So I have selected this people who have visited specific web pages, and for how long I want people to be part of this custom audience, how long they must be retained in this custom audience. So I am just entering 15 days, right? I just want those users to be part of this custom audience for next 15 days. So by entering this 15 days, new people will add on automatically in this custom audience, if my first ad campaign that I ran on saved audience is running, and the old users who have been visited our website more and have like more than 15 days before, right? So they will again be not part of this custom audience. They will exit from this custom audience. And here it is asking us URL contain, does not contain, or equal, right? So either I can enter this particular slug only Leheria sari, right, if I am going to click on contain, right? Or I can also enter the complete URL, or you can either click on equal and enter the complete URL. It doesn't matters. Control V. So I have entered this URL. Now Meta will create custom audience of those users who have visited this particular page, right? Not of the all website visitors. So I can create custom audience for those users who have visited Leheria Sari web page, so that in the second ad campaign that I'm going to run for retargeting ads, I will create good banners, good videos of Leheria saris only, so that people can connect with that particular product because they were interested in Leheria sari. That's why they visited that web page, and might be they didn't purchased or bought that particular product later. So I am going to showcase the same kind of product ad, right? I'm not going to show them ad of dupattas. If I show them ad of dupattas, they would not get convinced. So in spite, we should target those users by customized ad, by showing the ad of the product they visited and did not purchase. So that's why just we entered the URL of that particular page, because I just want to create custom audience of website visitors who visited that particular specific web page. Now we can exclude people, right? Or we can include more people, or we can further refine by and also. There is a condition of and also. Now if for example 500 users clicked on Leheria Sari page and visited the Leheria Sari page, right? Now I just want to, in the same URL also match, I just want to target those users who have added the Leheria Sari into their cart. So I have entered the cart page URL and clicked on enter, right? You might have different cart page URL. I'm just showing you an example. So that's why I changed the URL with the cart page, right? And the same URL must also match, right? For example, 500 users visited Leheria Sari page, but among those 500 users, only 200 users added that particular product in their cart, right? So if I put a condition of and also and have entered the cart page URL, right, then it will only create custom audience of those 200 users, which I can say is my warm audience, as they were interested in product and they added that particular product in the cart but did not purchased, right? And if I just enter the Leheria Sari page, then it might be cold audience. They have just checked out that particular product and they have not added it that particular product in the cart, right? So I'm just narrowing my custom audience to get high quality of results. So that's why I've also added the cart page URL, so only I can reach the targeted audience. Okay, so we have added the cart page URL. Now I want to exclude people. Exclude people, all website visitors, no, people who visited specific web pages in past 15 days. I am entering the order confirmed page URL, right? After anyone purchases the product, makes the payment of that particular product, then they land on order confirmed page, and my order confirmed page have this kind of URL. You might have a somehow different. You can check it by purchasing a product by yourself, right? Which kind of pages appear on your screen. You can just copy and keep the URL for creating custom audience later. So I have entered the order confirmed page URL, and now what will happen? For example, among those 200 users, 10 users have purchased my product. So this doesn't make any sense of showing ad to all 200 users, because 10 users have already purchased that particular product from your website. So why to show ad to those guys, right? So we have like lesser the number by uh, removing those users by who have purchased our product, right? So like in among 200 we have lessened the 10 users by entering the order confirmed page, because they have reached to this web page after purchasing the product, right? So now we have left with 190 users only, and we are going to create custom audience of those 190 users, as they have visited that particular product, added the product in the cart, but have not made payment. You can also like if you want to go more deeper, then you might also add one more condition. And also, but I would not suggest you to add this here. You can enter the checkout URL also. So might be among those 200 users who have added that particular product in the cart, for example 80 users visited the checkout page, right? So now our custom audience would be of 80 minus 10 users who have already purchased. So we will be left with 70 users in this custom audience of past 15 days, right? But again, it will lessen your particular custom audience size. So I would not suggest you, because sometimes what happen that people add the product in the cart, but later they think that why should we buy the product immediately? We can buy it in next month when we have good budget also in hand. So I would not suggest you to add this checkout page, but if you want a creamy audience, then you can add it, right? Else there is no need. So I have removed this. Now it is asking me audience name, website visitors, trial 123. We can also add description, and here you can see that we can also target people on the basis of time spent as well, right? Visitors by time spent. If we select this, then again we can make a custom audience of website visitors by according to the time they spent on our web pages, right? But I would not suggest that particular thing, because sometimes what happen, you might have also done this before, like sometimes we cook something, and while cooking we use our mobile phone, and mm, at that time like we saw a new product and we visit any website, and uh, keep checking out that particular product, and suddenly our interest goes somewhere else, as we are cooking also. So we just keep the phone screen turned on, and automatically like we have stayed on that web page for a longer period. So like users do this many times, so that's why I'm not targeting people on the basis of time spent, right? So we will simply click on create audience and done, and here you can see our custom audience has been created many times. It takes like 24 to 48 hours to create a custom audience. Till then you will see a message of populating, and later it will get converted into ready. So you need to wait for next 24 to 48 hours. Till then Meta will check those user information, and will automatically add those users in the custom audience. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. We have mentioned our website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.